This is the 6th grade benchmark 1. Please put your name on your test. The directions. Read each question carefully. For a multiple choice question, determine the best answer to the question from the 4 answer choices provided. For a griddable question, determine the best answer to the question, then fill in the answer on your answer document. Number 1. What is the prime factorization of 99? A. 3 to the 2 times 11. B. 3 to the 3rd times 11. C. 9 times 11. D. Not here. Number 2. Quinlan pays $178 every 4 months for his guitar lessons. At this rate, how much will Quinlan pay for 3 years of guitar lessons? F. $534. G. $2,136. H. $1,602. J. $712. Number 3. Which expression is represented by the model below? A. -4 times -5. B. 4 times -5. C. -4 times 5. D. 4 times 5. 2 sets of numbers are shown below. Which statement is true? F. The number 8.7 is equivalent to each number in set K, but not each number in set J. G. The number 8.7 is equivalent to each number in set J and set K. H. The number 8.070 is equivalent to each number in set K, but not each number in set J. J. The number 8.070 is equivalent to each number in set J and set K. Number 5. The table shows a relationship between some values of P and V. Based on the table, which expression represents any value of V in terms of its corresponding value of P? A. P minus 2 over 10. B. P minus 10 in 1 over 10. C. P plus 2 over 10. D. P plus 10 in 1 over 10. Number 6. At a zoo, 5% of the birds are macaws. What decimal is equivalent to 5%? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. Number 7. There are a total of 950 boxes of shoes at a store. Half of the boxes contain athletic shoes. Another 125 boxes contain dress shoes. Of the remaining boxes of shoes, 4 out of 5 boxes contain sandals. Based on the expression below, how many boxes at the store contain sandals? A. 280. B. 355. C. 450. D. 255. Number 8. The value of g can be determined using the expression r minus 9 over 8. Which table represents the relationship between the values of g and r? Table F, Table G, Table H, Table J. Question 9. Gracie borrowed $92 from her father. She has already paid back $12. She will pay him another $16 on Monday and then make equal payments of $4 until the rest of the money has been repaid. The expression below can be used to find the number of equal payments Gracie will need to make in order to repay the money. How many equal payments will Gracie need to make in order to repay the money? A. 24, B. 16, C. 5, D. 27. Question 10. Jackson has 180 pieces of gum. He wants to share the pieces of gum equally with his friends. Which table shows the relationship between N, the number of people who receive gum, and P, the number of pieces of gum each person receives? Table F, Table G, Table H, Table J. Question 11. Metal and glass make up 100% of a sculpture. If G represents the percentage of the sculpture that is made of glass, which equation can be used to find M, the percentage of the sculpture that is made of metal? A. G minus 100 equals M. B. 100 minus G equals M. C. G over 100 equals M. D. 100 plus G equals M. Number 12. Matt has answered 20 over 25 of the questions on a test. What percentage of the test questions has Matt answered? F. 20%. G. 45%. H. 95%. J. 80%. Question 13. Miss Stevens drove through a total of 36 intersections on her way home from work last week. At 4 of every 16 intersections, Miss Stevens had to stop for a red light before she could drive through. At how many intersections did Miss Stevens have to stop for a red light? A. 3, B. 9, C. 24, D. 12. Question 14. A company predicts that this year's sales will be equivalent to 144% of last year's sales. Which value represents 144%? F. 1.4. G. 1 and 11 over 25. H. 1.56. J. 14 and 4 over 5. 15. Which list of numbers is in order from greatest to least? A. -5, 0, 1/4, 2, 7 over 3, 6. B. 6, -5, 7 over 3, 2, 1 over 4, 0. C. 7/3, 6, 2, 1/4, 0, -5. D. 6, 7/3, 2, 1/4, 0, -5. Question 16. Ryan had a whole pizza. He ate 1/8 of the pizza for lunch and another 25% of the pizza for dinner. What fraction of the pizza has Ryan not eaten? F. 5/6. G. 5/8. H. 4/8. J. 3/8. Question 17. On Tuesday morning, a school cafeteria served 16 gallons of orange juice during breakfast. How many cups are in 16 gallons? A. 256 cups. B. 64 cups. C. 2,048 cups. D. 128 cups. Question 18. The number of students in each of 2 exercise classes was the same. The box plots below represent the average amount of time the students in each class spent exercising daily outside class. If you need anything from the chart read, please raise your hand. Based on the information in the box and whisker plots, which statement about the time spent exercising outside class appears to be true? F. The median amount of time the first class spent exercising was greater than the median amount of time the second class spent exercising. G. The range for the second class was less than the range for the first class. H. The interquartile range for the first class was less than the interquartile range for the second class. J. The minimum amount of time the second class spent exercising was greater than the minimum amount of time the first class spent exercising. Number 19. 4 sets of angles are shown below. Set 1, Set 2, Set 3, Set 4. In which of the sets is there a ratio of 4:1 between the measure of angle S and the measure of angle T? A. Set 1 only. B. Sets 1, 2, 3, and 4. C. Sets 1 and 2 only. D. Set 4 only. Question 20. Which points on the coordinate grid below satisfy the conditions x greater than -3 and 1/2 and y less than 1 and 4/5? F. Points P and U. G. Points Q, R, and T. H. Points Q, S, T, and W. J. Points P, S, and W. Number 21. Xavier has a group of rectangular prisms. Each rectangular prism has a volume of 128 cubic centimeters and a height of 2 centimeters. The table shows the relationship between each prism's length, L, and width, W. Which equation can Xavier use to find the length, L, in centimeters of a prism that has a width of W centimeters? A. 128 over 2 equals L plus W. B. 2 times 28 equals L times W. C. 128 over 2 equals L times W. D. 2 plus 128 equals L times W. Question 22. Use the ruler provided to measure the two figures below to the nearest centimeter. Which of the following is closest to the combined areas of these figures in square centimeters? F. 31 centimeters squared. G. 55 centimeters squared. H. 37 centimeters squared. J. 47 centimeters squared. Question 23. In triangle ABC, the measure of angle A is 70 degrees. Angle B is congruent to angle C. What is the measure of angle B in degrees? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. Question 24. The stem and leaf plot shows the length of several hermit crabs. Hermit crab lengths, inches. Key. If you need anything else read from the table, please raise your hand. Which line plot best represents the data in the stem and leaf plot? F, G, H, J. Question 25. A farmer has a bale of hay with a mass of 36 kilograms. How many milligrams of hay are in the bale? A, B, C, D. A, 36 million milligrams. B, 36,000 milligrams. C, 3,600,000 milligrams. D, 360,000 milligrams. Question 26. A picture of a seashell is shown on the coordinate grid below. Which ordered pair represents a point located within the picture of the seashell? F, -1, 2. G, -1, 0. H, 0, 2. J, none of these. Question 27. A clear file box shaped like the rectangular prism is modeled below. The shaded part represents one base of the box. A formula for finding the volume of a rectangular prism is V equals BH. Which equation can be used to find B, the area of the shaded base of the box in square inches? A. B equals 1 over 2 times 19 times 14. B. B equals 19 plus 14. C. B equals 19 times 14. D. B equals 2 times 19 plus 2 times 14. Question 28. A sea turtle made 460 dives in 12 hours. At this rate, how many dives did the sea turtle make in 3 hours? F. 153. G. 115. H. 120. J. 165. Question 29. The table below shows the amount of money that 10 people spent on a field trip. What was the median amount of money spent by these people? A. $3. B. $9. C. $8. D. $7. Question 30. The table below shows the number of cotton bales imported by the United States from different countries and regions in 1 year. Cotton imports. Country or region. Bales. Thousands. If you need anything else from the table read, please raise your hand. What is the mean number of cotton bales imported from these countries? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. Question 31. Karina wrote the 2 sets of numbers shown below. Set A, set B. Which number could be added to set B to make the model of set B greater than the model of set A? Which number could be added to set B to make the mode of set B greater than the mode of set A? A. 3. B. 2. C. 12. D. 8. Question 32. Which rational number best describes point A on the number line? F. Negative 2.1. G. Negative 2 and 3 over 4. H. Negative 3.2. J. Negative 3 and 1 over 4. Question 33. Which expression best describes the result of the operation shown? 3 and 1 over 5 times 1 over 3. A. The result is less than 0. B. The result is less than 1/3. C. The result is greater than 9 and 1 over 5. D. The result is less than 9 and 1 over 5. Question 34. A submarine started at the surface of the water and was moving down at negative 19 kilometers per minute toward the ocean floor. The submarine traveled at this rate for 50 minutes before coming to rest on the ocean floor. What is the depth of the ocean floor? F. Negative 962 kilometers. G. Negative 938 kilometers. H. Negative 950 kilometers. J. 31 kilometers. Question 35. Which is missing from the model below? A. 75%, B. 80%, C. 90%, D. 125%. Question 36. In a survey, 10% of the people say they live in a city. If 60 people said they live in a city, how many people were surveyed? F. 15 people. G. 25 people. H. 240 people. J. 600 people. Question 37. To be adopted, a resolution must be approved by at least 3/4 of the members of the Assembly. There are 256 members in the Assembly. Find the number of members who must approve the resolution for it to be adopted. A. 128 members. B. 132 members. C. 192 members. D. 96 members. Question 38. 46% of the circle is shaded. What fraction of the circle is shaded? F. 0.46. G. 50/23. H. 1 and 23/50. J. 23/50. Question 39. Write an expression for the missing value in the table. Tom's age, Kim's age. A. A plus 1. B. A plus 15. C. A plus 3. D. A plus 10. Question 40. Which statement illustrates the distributive property? F. 24 times 2 equals 2 times 24. G. 53 plus 17 plus 10 equals 53 plus 17 plus 10. H. 12 plus 13 plus 18 plus 37 equals 80. J. 9 times 20 plus 6 equals 9 times 20 plus 9 times 6. Question 41. Graph the inequality. W greater than equal to 3.4. A, B, C, D. Question 42. Which of the following numbers are integers? 7/9, -32, 13, 5/1. F. -32, 13. G. 13, 5/1. H. -32, 13, 5/1. J. 7/9, 13, 5/1. Question 43. Which real-world situation is best described by the equation 9.78 minus x equals 4.95? A. Jonathan has $9.79 and his mother gives him $4.95. How much money does he have in all? B. Rafi's book bag weighed 14.73 pounds. He took his math books out of the backpack and the bag weighed 9.78 pounds. How much did his math books weigh? C. Jamal's rock collection weighs 9.78 pounds. He sells some of his collection and now it weighs 4.95 pounds. What is the weight of the rocks he sold? D. Steve's lunch cost $9.78. After lunch, he had $4.95 left. How much money did Steve have to begin with? Question 44. There are 6 blue shirts and G green shirts in a drawer. There are 11 shirts total in the drawer. What equation models the situation? F. 6 plus G equals 11. G. 6G equals 11. H. 6 minus G equals 11. J. 1 over 6G equals 11. Question 45. Write 12 is 8 subtracted from y as an algebraic equation. Then find the solution. A. 12 equals 8 minus y. Y equals negative 20. B. 12 equals y minus 8. Y equals 4. C. 12 equals y minus 8. Y equals 20. D. 12 equals 8 minus y. Y equals negative 4. Question 46. In a survey, 10% of the people said they live in a city. If 60 people say they live in a city, how many people were surveyed? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. Question 47. Which of the following has a solution of 9? A. W plus 9 equals 9. B. 9A equals 72. C. Y minus 8 equals 11. D. P over 3 equals 3. Question 48. Mike was in charge of collecting contributions for the food bank. He received contributions of $80, $70, $60, $40, and $80. Find the mean, median, and mode of the contributions. F. Mean $70, median $66, mode $80. G. Mean $66, median $70, mode $80. H. Mean $80, median $66, mode $70. J. Mean $80, median $70, mode $66. Question 49. The data set and dot plot show the distribution of heights in inches of 20 girls in a middle school class. Describe the shape of the data distribution. A. The data distribution is skewed to the right. B. The data distribution is symmetrically distributed. C. The data distribution is skewed to the left. D. The data distribution has no shape. Question 50. The stem and leaf plot shows the number of toys collected by various schools for a children's center. How many schools collected more than 47 toys? If you need any part of the chart read, please raise your hand. F, 3, G, 5, H, 4, J, 6. Question 51. What is a benefit of making a purchase with a debit card? A. The payment will not be withdrawn from your account immediately. B. You are able to make purchases without having money to cover the full price. C. Banks never charge fees for debit card purchases. D. There are no interest payments on unpaid balances. Question 52. Complete the check registry to determine Yosef's final account balance. If you need any part of the chart read, please raise your hand. F. $1,233.59. G. $1,175.34. H. $1,291.84. J. $1,158.59.